Bathroom Bliss. An investment worth considering. A bathroom remodel is about more than just pretty tiles and new fixtures. It's about creating a space that's both functional and beautiful. A true sanctuary in your home. A well-planned remodel enhances your daily routine and boosts your home's value. Think about it. A spa-like shower can melt away stress. A well-organized vanity can streamline your mornings. And let's face it, an updated bathroom makes a big difference when you decide to sell your home. But before you jump into demolition, there are a few things you need to consider, especially living in a unique place like Pensacola. Pensacola, priorities, battling humidity with the right materials. Pensacola's climate is beautiful, but that humidity can take a toll on your home, especially your bathroom. Moisture loves to linger in bathrooms, creating the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew. That's why choosing the right materials is crucial. Opt for moisture-resistant materials like porcelain or ceramic tiles for your floors and shower walls. Natural stone can be beautiful, but requires more maintenance in humid environments. Ventilation is key. Make sure you have a powerful exhaust fan to combat steam and humidity. Think about your paint too. Choose mildew-resistant paint to keep your bathroom looking fresh. Picking your partners. Finding Trustworthy. Pensacola Pros. Don't trust your bathroom remodel to just anyone. Hiring experienced and reliable contractors is crucial for a successful project. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have recently renovated. Check online reviews and look for contractors with a proven track record in Pensacola. Make sure they are licensed and insured. This protects you if anything goes wrong during the remodel. Get everything in writing. A detailed contract should outline the scope of work, materials to be used, payment schedule, and a realistic timeline. Don't be afraid to ask questions and clarify any doubts before signing on the dotted line. Section 4. Budgeting your bathroom. Keeping costs under control. Bathroom remodels can get expensive fast. That's why setting a realistic budget from the start is essential. Determine how much you're comfortable spending and stick to it. Get quotes from multiple contractors and compare them carefully. Don't automatically go with the cheapest option. Quality materials and workmanship are worth the investment. Remember, unexpected issues can arise, so factor in a contingency fund for surprises. Look for ways to save without compromising quality. Consider refinishing existing cabinets instead of replacing them. Shop around for deals on fixtures and materials. A little research can go a long way. Section 5. Get ready to relax. Your dream bathroom awaits. A well-executed bathroom remodel can transform your home, creating a space that's both functional and luxurious. By understanding the unique challenges of Pensacola's climate, choosing the right materials, hiring trustworthy professionals, and budgeting wisely, you can create a bathroom that exceeds your expectations. Ready to get started on your dream bathroom? Don't wait. Call us today at 877-915-4526 for a free consultation and let our team of experts guide you through every step of the process. Your oasis awaits.